And here we are at the Momyer trailhead, San Bernardino National Forest. So let's go. We're heading to a place called Alger Creek, and we're going to be camping out overnight at Alger, so let's go. So here we are in our camp. This is Alger Creek Camp, and this is my shelter I'm using tonight. This is the Lightheart Gear Firefly camouflage Silpoly version, and let's go take a look on the inside. Welcome to home sweet home for tonight. So in the tent tonight, and just have a got my air pad, 20-degree top quilt, Trekology pillow, and there's my backpack back there. And this is a really roomy tent, opened up on both sides. So yeah, there it is. Then we have Huck over here with the Skyscape Trekker.
Skyscape Trekker.
Huck with the Skyscape Trekker, and David over here with the LaShawn 3F. Yeah. Pretty awesome setup. And we're going to be getting dinner on pretty soon, and going to be a nice time. Awesome camp around here, though. Walk you guys around the camp a bit. Then coming out here, there's more campsites down there. Ooh, you can actually see somebody has a hammock out there, right on. Gonna do some walking around. Go check it out a little bit. Let's see what we got going on back here. Oh, look at that. Oh, I saw a fish in there. One right there. Let's go see what we got over here. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Look at that. And I don't see any fish, but it's really pretty around here. San Bernardinos. Well, it's just all kind of fun around here. Lots of exploring to do. Good water flow. Fish in the pool upriver. Man, it's not bad. Love this place. All right, well, it's about time to get dinner going, so gotta get. Ooh, whoa, almost ate. Shit. And tonight we're having beef stroganoff by Trailtopia. Got the little smokies going. And we got some little smokies going on. Those are gonna be good. Do some barbecue sauce on them. So yep, I'm gonna dig in. Morning. Just waking up and it's a little bit chilly. Not too bad. It's like 50 degrees or something, so it's not bad. But feel a little nip in the air, but take a look around here. Kind of neat, so I'm gonna go take a little walk around, do a little bit of exploring, see what else is in the area, and yeah, then get back up, get breakfast, get coffee, and we're gonna pack up and get out of here. So. One last look, all cleaned up.